everyone. We're going to be going to Great Wolf Lodge soon. It's about a week before Christmas, and we're all so excited. Asher, are you excited?
Yeah!
Daddy, are you excited?
I am.
And every year we watch some YouTube videos to pump Asher up. We started it because originally we weren't sure what he would think or what he would expect. So if you have kids who might be a little bit nervous or anything like that, you can always watch YouTube videos with them so they know what to expect. And now every year we just watch it to pump him up, and he gets so excited, don't you, Asher?
And we're really excited this year because Asher just started preschool. And do you remember what you said you wanted to do when you grow up on your first day of preschool?
Yeah.
You told your class you want to be a water slide?
Tester.
A water slide tester. So we're really excited.
Do you think you'll go on all the water slides?
Yeah.
Do you have a favorite water slide?
Yeah.
Which one's your favorite?
The blue one.
There's always tons of activities to do there. We always have a great time. For example, sometimes in the mornings they have like yoga for the kids, where they have a bunch of mats laid out. They have different Christmas activities. And yeah, we just have a blast.
Asher, where are we going to?
Great Wolf Lodge.
We had for breakfast this morning.
I had
Do you remember?
Yeah, I know.
I see an arm coming.
Don't say one right.
Hand coming. Oh, I don't even think the hand got you that time. It's the anticipation. Anticipation.
It's
The nose pincher. Do you know what this is? Is another.
Oh no, there's 3 hands.
It was happy again.
Are you gonna take a nap?
No. The silly sound.
A silly sound.
Let's hear your silly sound. Well, that got everybody to laugh.
Daddy makes a dying moose.
Yeah, Daddy's moose sounds like it's dying.
Silly sound.
Can you make a moose sound? Let's hear Daddy's dying moose. Who should make a moose sound now?
Granny. Can you make?
I'm gonna sound like it burped. And you make a silly sound.
You're not gonna see.
Well, you should, because then when you wake up, we might be there. So close your eyes, try to sleep.
We used to get those back in the field behind us. For a long time.
Do you know what that sign says, Asher?
Great Wolf Lodge.
Great. That's for luggage right there, I think. Yeah, I think that's if you need to bring your luggage in.
We're here.
The last few times we were here, they were doing construction. It looks like all the construction's done now.
So this is the indoor water park at Great Wolf Lodge. As you can see, it's a lot of fun for everyone, kids of any age, adults as well. They have a ton of water slides, a wave pool. Asher loves to go there. And they also have food that you can get right there at a place called Buckets. As you can see, we enjoyed some burgers and fries. And what's nice too is that you can order either through the app that they have or right there at the water park, and it comes pretty quick. The food was really great. It's something that we get every time that we are there. So there you have it, some of Great Wolf Lodge. Hope you enjoy. All right, so you just saw our trip to Great Wolf Lodge, how much fun we had in the water park. Unfortunately, we didn't have a GoPro or a waterproof camera with this time, but we did get one for Christmas, so hopefully at our next trip you'll see some of those exciting water adventures and in the water scenes. We also really didn't show a whole lot of the room. The room that we stayed in was the Grizzly Bear Suite. They do have a bunch of different rooms that you can choose from. What was nice about ours was it had 2 bedrooms because our family was there with us as well. So they had the king suite with the ensuite bathroom, and then we had the room with the 2 queen beds, and then it had a detached bathroom. The sink was on the outside, which was kind of nice if you're getting ready and somebody's taking a shower or using the bathroom. And then it also had a nice living area with a nice couch, and then it had a gas fireplace which had like a timer switch on it. Kind of what you would see at like a hot tub or something like that. It like switched over and then you would just turn it off when you need it as well. There was also a little balcony outside. We were on the 1st floor, which if you are a light sleeper and prone to a lot of noises, it might not be the best option for the 1st floor because you will have a lot of excited kids jumping around upstairs. And it didn't have much of a view, so if you can possibly, I would say go for the 3rd floor. That's the best option.
Yeah, I woke up about 2 a.m. and it sounded like the room above us, which would be the main level, because the 1st level is actually kind of like the basement. You walk down steps, and that is even with the water park, which is really nice because you just walk down the hall right into the water park. But the downside is you have rooms, like 3 stories of rooms right above you. And so literally I woke up at like 2 a.m. and it sounded like kids were jumping up and down up above us on the ceiling, which woke me up, of course. But we try to make it about the kids, just chalk it up as part of the experience. So not a big deal for us, but for other people, you might want to keep that in mind.
Yeah, and they are supposed to have quiet hours from 11 to 7, but you know how kids are when they're excited, right, Asher?
Yeah.
How do you get when you're excited?
So excited.
Do you jump up and down?
Yeah.
And all around?
Well, he's sleepy right now, but he loves the room. He loves running around, turning off the lights, turning them back on, turning on the gas fireplace. You love all that stuff, don't you?
And the other thing we didn't really show much of is the arcade, too. They have an arcade there, which we kind of just let Asher pretend he's playing games.
Yeah, he played all the games.
But
in the
he still
arcade.
loves that. And he actually did get some tickets because there were some just randomly there sticking out. But
yeah, there's tons of activities. We'll try to show it next time, but they had like a gem mining station where the water comes down and you kind of, I don't know what the word, like sift or pan for gems. So we did that. We did mini golf, which is great, which was kind of like glow in the dark. They have bowling, tons of activities. When we got up in the morning, they had like kids yoga in the main lodge area. So yeah, there's tons to do.
yeah, they have that Magic Quest thing, too, which is a big thing there.
Yeah. Did you love it?
Yeah.
Are you falling asleep?
No.
Do you think you want to go back again sometime?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we'll definitely show more activities.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
I'll try not to fall asleep.